Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the fuel filter on Audi A4 B6 1.9 TDI. The fuel filter in this car is located on the side of the engine. It's located right there, so in order to disconnect the fuel filter we need to remove this metal clip and pull out that thing and disconnect the two fuel lines. So first we'll start by removing this metal clip. We just need to pull it out. Next we're going to remove this plastic thing that connects the two hoses. We're just going to maybe pry it out a little bit with the screwdriver and to come out. Next we'll remove the two fuel lines. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Now that the two fuel lines are removed, there is a bolt on the side that holds the fuel filter in its housing. That we need to loosen that bolt. We don't need to remove it, just loosen it, and then take out the fuel filter. And that's the fuel filter out. Now we're going to replace it with a new one. Before putting the new filter back on, first I like to fill up the fuel filter with diesel so that we can prime the system, the fuel system, much easier. Now that we've filled the fuel filter, now I'm going to put it on the car. Putting the fuel filter on the car is exactly the same. We put it in its place, then we connect the two fuel lines, and then we put this plastic thing in between the other two fuel lines, and then we put the metal clip on. And that's the fuel filter replaced. Now we need to go into the car and prime the fuel system. In order to prime the fuel system, we need to turn the ignition on and off about 10 times, maybe 15 times. When you turn the ignition on, you hold it for about 3 or 4 seconds, and then you turn the ignition off and on again, and like that. And then we start the car. When you start the car, you might want to press the accelerator for a couple of seconds, just to make sure the fuel system is primed completely. And then we're done afterwards. That's how you replace the fuel filter. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.